In today's video, let's take a look into the main window and observe how the output window works. Still on quick start steps, and the topic is navigating through the application. Hello everybody, welcome back to RTF. I'm Roberto Cruz, and continuing on our quick start steps, navigating through Studio 5000 Logix Designer. We just went through in our previous video, again linking, we set a card on this video so you can access the previous one where we showed you guys the most useful keyboards shortcuts, so very useful ones. And then in today's video we're gonna talk about the main window and some of the features on the output window, which is very handy, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. So we're running through the quick start steps. We've made various videos, very useful ones. You can find the playlist again on a card in this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just dive into the content then. Let me just switch screens, guys. So yeah, again, navigating through the main application, I'm skipping most of the topics because we're gonna be learning along the way when using. Every time I'm actually going through and demonstrate how to create a logic or to edit your PLC code. I'm always going to be mentioning what I'm doing, what commands I'm doing, if I'm drag and drop or using a certain keyboard. So we can learn those commands along the way. Right click in certain locations. So I mean, there's no need to go through every single topic because it's basically covering all those simple commands, right? So, but obviously it's part of the online help, and we are aiming to go through most of it, especially obviously all the relevant topics, in my opinion. But again, I'm always open to, if you want to go through certain parts or things that you miss out, or you think it can be better explained, just let me know in the comments, and I'm more than happy to revisit if you guys want it, right? So so this is the main window application. So in today's video, we're talking about the main window and especially the output window. So this is the output window, is basically sits on those comprises those three tabs here, right? So we go to search results. If we click that, right, it comes up with the search results. So if you search to a certain item, this is where the item is going to be shown, right? And it's going to be displayed. So we got the watch list and we got the error. So those are very handy ones. So this is going to be a short video. Finally, I just wanted to show you guys how useful that be. So basically everything you do, it will, on your application, will be displayed here. It showed you all these statuses. Let me just drag this one up a little bit. So you see when I've done a download, it's showing the last time the download, the last time, connection size, reading changelog. So it shows you lots of information and useful information. So if it displayed very handy information. Warning. So if you got a warning on your program, it also shows you a warning. So you can just move through, and those are the relevant warning, right? So you've got, and obviously a warning still allows you to download your application. And then you got errors. So if you have an errors, it will never let you download your application. So this is where it displays the outputs. So which means that every action you take on your Studio 5000 Logix Designer results in an output, which means that either a happy output or an unhappy result. So search results, again, if you search to a file, like find that, so obviously it's going to search for your program, right? So, and again, boom, so it comes up here in the search results, and you can navigate through it. So as soon as you click, it takes you to the location, right? Pretty handy stuff.
and ultimately the watch list. So this is pretty handy. So if you want to make up a list of tags that you wanted to monitor, for example, I've got interlock 1 and permissive 1. So you got a quick watch, which you can populate with tags, with your own tags. So tags that you find relevant to a certain fault finding, for instance, or troubleshooting that you're doing. For example, I can select the start button here and just place it in there. It's going to be here, so you can see the actual value. And also, you can select your whole routine. So if I pick up motor, for instance, it brings them all in. All the tags that sits on that stays here, so you can monitor them. Pretty handy. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Very simple one this time. So the output window and the main window. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, found that useful. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. I can always revisit if I'm missing something out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Again, if you like this video, if you like the content, please consider to subscribe to the channel. Likes are much appreciated. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. If you do subscribe to the channel, make sure you ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. So like I always say, always RTFM. I'll see you guys next time, and take care.